Yo, welcome back to the channel, man. Don't call this a comeback, but your boy's back like I never left, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I bought a brand new car. The official build for the channel is here, the first of many cars. This is one of my dream cars, y'all. I always wanted this car since high school, since this car came out. Now 25 years later, I'm finally able to start living my life a little bit, and now we're going to be doing this. All right, I'm going to upload this video July 1st. That's halfway through the year, so hopefully we can get a good year start off, but no more delays. Let's get into the car. The first official dream car that I always wanted in my life is here. The project begins. Let's go. Let's zoom out so you guys can see what it is. Yes, it is a Honda, but what Honda? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Oh, we zoomed out. This is it right here, guys. This is my 1999 Honda Civic Hatchback, man. Let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So this is the 1999 Honda Civic Hatchback DX model. I'm gonna show y'all why I decided to buy this model here. It's not clapped out. I know 99.9% of these type of cars are clapped the hell out. Slam, power steering gone, AC gone. You know, people turbocharge this, put the, y'all see it, man. Y'all see it on Facebook Marketplace. Got the hood release for the exhaust. Y'all know how it is. The average on the setup right now. But anyway, one of the reasons why I bought this car because it was pretty stock. And it was hard to find one at least stock as this. So let me give y'all a good show of the car so y'all have a good idea of why I bought this one. All right, so the next thing why I bought this car is the actual engine bay. Now if you look at this, yes, this is a D series, but I like the fact that it have the original D series in it. This is the original D series in it the whole time. This car have over like 200 something thousand miles on it. And this is the original engine and transmission. And look at that. It still got the power steering pump and the AC compressor. It do blow warm. The previous owner did put Freon in it. And the car did get cold, but then it get hot again within like 20 minutes. So there's a leak somewhere, but the AC system do work. We just got to find the leak. But you guys rarely see Honda Civic Hatch with power steering and AC. Well, you might still see the power steering, but you rarely see AC in it. My goal is to keep the AC and power steering active in it. I don't know where I'm gonna go with the build yet, but for now, the goal is to get this car up and running. And the fact that it got, you know, AC and power steering in it, make it really good to drive, especially down here in Florida heat. But yeah, man, the goal is to get this car up and running. Future plans, I don't want to spoil it yet, so I don't want to give away everything what I want to do with this car. But this is the first official build for the channel. What the hell going on? Damn sirens and all that. Let me give you guys a cold start right quick so y'all can hear the engine and how it started up. Yeah, so that's the little cold start right there. Like I said, not the most perfect running car, but hear out the engine sound if y'all want to hear how the engine sound. So that's how it starts up. I'm gonna do full maintenance on it. Everything, you know what I'm saying? I got one of my boys is really good with Hondas, so we're gonna do a clean slate 200,000 miles maintenance, meaning we're going to replace the spark plug wire. We might do new distributor. We're going to find out what's going on with the AC, so we're probably going to replace the AC compressor, the AC condenser. Like, we're basically going to be doing everything that I did to my little daily over there, which have 270,000 miles, but I replaced like everything inside the engine bay but the damn engine. That's also original 270,000 miles engine and transmission. So once my boy got a day off, we're going to start look at everything that need to be replaced. Like I said before, There's some oil right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. It probably definitely need a new valve cover or something, but we're gonna see what it needs. We're gonna wash it down, dry it, make sure everything is like visible to us, and the goal is to just replace everything that needs to be fixed. Yeah, man, so basically that's really the engine, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's really the car right there. I would love to take you guys for a quick run, but I don't feel like driving right now. It's pretty damn hot out here in Florida, man. But that's the car, man. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. So much stuff coming, guys. So much stuff is coming to the channel. I'm excited to start vlogging again. I deleted all my videos. Now I'm gonna put this back up there and we're gonna start going for it, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna be, I'm probably gonna try to upload this July 1st, which is tomorrow. That way we could start officially 6 months into the year. My goal is to get this channel up to 5,000 subscribers before December, but I take halfway through it. But yeah, man, look at the engine tone. You know what I'm saying? Pretty smooth. It doesn't overheat. Nothing. Both fans work. The AC fans work if I turn it on. Yeah, but you see how rusty these are? We're gonna replace all that. So, be honest with you, man, I might just replace everything, though. We're talking about new radiator fan, AC compressor, condenser. Like, the goal is to get this car up and running like a true daily, and later on we start adding power to it. But the first goal is to replace all the components that make this car start up and go every day. Because at the end of the day, I don't care how much, you know, social media ruined this car. This car is a commuter just as much as the Corolla over there. These cars could see 400,000 miles if they're proper maintenance. So the first thing is to get this car up in maintenance. I will spoil one thing for y'all since I'm here talking now. My big first upgrade is the back disc brake upgrade. I don't like the drums. These cars come with drums in the back. The first one I really want to do is the rear disc conversion kit, and that might be the first thing for real, first secret I'm giving out for you guys. But other than that, man, your boy's finally back. That boy GT's back, and we're gonna make some fun. We're in Miami. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna take this car to car meets, all that stuff. We're gonna start some forums. Not start for some form, but you know, go on some forums. But anyway, tired of talking. See you guys in the next video. Peace.